Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Another cocktail video here at Barker's Cocktail Bar. So the drink I'm making today is a bit unusual because some may say it's not really a cocktail, it's a bit more of just a mixture of stuff, which I mean, yeah, pretty much a good way to describe it really. Basically, it's a drink I haven't heard of before. I didn't actually hear about it till the barbecue we had with our friend Jamie and the lads. Now, it does go under a few names. Benidorm Scooter Sue calls it a black night, and of course the Geordie lot, they call it jungle juice. Drop a comment down below what you call it. Now this drink was popular around the 80s, the 90s, like popular when all-night raves were a big thing, going out on the club as a youth, that sort of stuff were popular, and basically popular because, yeah, it involves alcohol, but you can't really taste the alcohol. But it does still apparently get you very, very drunk. So, what you need, I hear you ask? Bottle of lemonade. I think we've got a lime type drink, but still should work. A bottle of blackcurrant squash. We've got blackcurrant and apple, which should still do the job and all. And the alcohol, a bottle of vodka. Okay, let's get to making it, guys. So first up, you're going to add a drop of vodka. Okay, so add about that much vodka, or maybe a little less or a little more, depending on who you are. I mean, I know when we were out with the Geordie lot, they were only doing a little amount of vodka, but it looked strong though. Okay, next up you're going to add your blackcurrant squash. Gonna just a bit more of that. Okay, so got a nice red colour to it, reddish pink colour. Should have put a Liverpool shirt on and called it the Liverpool cocktail. Okay, last but not least, you're going to want to top it off with some lemonade. Now I am a bit rough today, guys. When we did go out for the barbecue with the Geordie gang, we were drinking and it were a late night. Okay, gonna use two hands to do this. And well, I can't really hold the jug at the same time, but you're gonna just finish it off with some lemonade. Okay. Now, when I was watching the Geordie gang make it, they weren't actually mixing it. But I'm gonna try mixing it, just see what happens, be a bit different. Okay. Want to soften it up now. Now it's a popular drink with some of the youth because you're apparently not meant to taste the vodka in it. Bottoms up. That is quite nice actually. Yeah, you can't really taste the alcohol in it. Very nice drink. Have another sip. Hi. Oh. There's a hint of the vodka at the end, but still a nice drink. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get Benny to scoop the syrup here as well. She can have a taste as well. Okay guys. Okay, I'll sit myself down. So, Benny don't scoop the soup with us here. The one and only, what the jungle juice used to be called in your time then?
A vodka blackcurrant lemonade, I knew it as a black night. It's what I used to drink in the limelights.
I'm assuming Limelight were an old nightclub you used to go to?
It was a bar, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, the Geordie lot were saying it's called jungle juice in one of the local bars they occasionally go to, so it's one of them that we've searched up jungle juice, that's coming up with one thing. We've searched up dark night, that's black night, that's coming up with something else, so I'm just gonna call it jungle juice. Yeah, sorry if I gave it the wrong name, but time to get hammered, I think. Hair of the dog. Oh, I'm going to shove that spoon there. It is nice. I think I could lift off this maybe.
We will have to get some ice for the next time.
I think I'll be drinking this, guys, at the next You're a Fisherman, that's all. Like, it's a good drink to make. Okay?
So, cheers.
Salute, as I say here in Spain. Cheers, guys. Bottoms up.
You can only smell the blackcurrant.
Go ahead. Get it down, you lads. What you thinking?
This would be quite lethal, as Mark said. You can't really taste the blackcurrant in it. It's just like a black
Can't really taste the vodka in it.
It's like a blackcurrant lemonade.
That is literally all it tastes like. a fizzy blackcurrant top drink, don't they? I mean,
A little bit.
yeah, you
vodka,
do
maybe.
get the odd hint of vodka, but still, it's a nice drink. I mean, I could sit there watching a footy match, maybe watching Eurovision next year, Christmas party or something. You would think they do me. Might get a bit tipsy, but I hope it's Benidorm. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for many more brilliant cocktail videos. See you soon.